This turmeric body butter will brighten your skin, it will glow and hydrate your skin. And this is a video you want to watch to the end because you're going to learn how to make this turmeric brightening body butter without a mixer. Okay, so guys, the first thing you need is fresh turmeric. Okay, you need fresh turmeric. We're not using powdered turmeric here. You can as well use the powdered turmeric. Okay, so and as you guys can see, I'm grating the turmeric root. Okay, so make sure you cover your hands. Turmeric stains, so that it will not stain your hand. So that is why you see me use a glove, especially with the hand I'm holding the turmeric. So you're going to carefully grate like so. We don't need any form of water, so you don't have to blend, because if you blend you might add water. Unless you blend or have a blender, you can blend this without adding any form of water, because what we need is the turmeric juice itself without adding any form of water. Okay, so here is the grated turmeric. We're going to transfer to a cheesecloth and we are going to squeeze out the turmeric juice. Okay, so just carefully squeeze it out, like carefully strain, okay, to get the turmeric juice. This turmeric juice have lots and lots of water, and this is what we have here. We have our turmeric juice. Okay, so next we have a distilled water. Right, so these are distilled water. Make sure you're using distilled water. We are doing emulsified turmeric butter, and you're going to be adding glycerin to the distilled water. Glycerin is a humectant, so this will be very, very hydrating as well. Okay, so you're going to mix the glycerin with the distilled water. Okay, so after that, you're going to be adding the turmeric juice. Okay, and you're going to mix as well. And guys, this body butter is superb. Like, it's so nice. Like, your skin is going to definitely thank you once you start using this body butter. So you're going to be covering with a cling film. Okay, so cover with a cling film or something, right? And make sure that you're doing this in a heat proof container. Then you set that aside. So that is the phase A. Now the phase B, which is the oil phase, we have mango butter and shea butter. Okay, combine both butters. Then we have emulsifying wax. Then we have beeswax. Okay, then we have carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of choice. I use sunflower oil, and I'm going to cover using a cling film. Make sure you're using a heat proof container. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is to double boil, to melt the butters and to also heat up the water phase. So we have two phases here. Okay, the water and the oil phase, right? So once that is done, we're going to bring it down. Okay, as you guys can see, the butter has melted. Okay, and we have the water phase also, which is also heated up. So we are making emulsified turmeric body butter. So the next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a bigger plate like so. So while it's still hot, then you're going to add the melted oil and you're going to be mixing. Guys, we're not using any hand mixer, meaning if you don't have a hand mixer, you can as well make this body butter. Okay, so here we have mulberry extract and I'm dissolving it with distilled water. Okay, so this is a natural skin brightener. Okay, so this butter or body butter will brighten your skin. So once dissolved, add it into the butter and mix very well. You're going to mix on a high speed. So if you have a stick blender, you can as well go ahead to use it. So once it's cooled to an extent, add your preservative, add your vitamin E oil, then you add your essential oil. Okay, then you mix on a very high speed. Okay, so once it gets completely cooled, it's going to thicken up, and this is what we have. Okay, you're going to transfer into your sterilized container. Okay, and guys, you've made yourself a simple body butter. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients and the measurements at the end of this video. Okay, so apply on a clean damp skin and your skin is going to thank you. See you guys, bye.